Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm working on my art journal, and first I'm going to start my page adding some color to these white pages. I'm using the Dina Wakley acrylic sprays, using a few neutral colors actually. This is sand. It's a little bit clogged, but it opened afterwards. This is acrylic spray, so it's very possible that it's going to clog, but what I found useful is I store them horizontally, not vertically. That definitely helped. And as soon as I use them, I just wipe the nozzle with a wet wipe. I'm using this baby blue, light blue color. And also this is the night color, dark blue, just at the top of my page. And I'm spraying water in the middle, and now I want this color to go down, to drip down, to add some interest at the back. You can do whatever you want. I'm just winging it at the moment, really. Don't have a plan. And I'm using a background stamp to add a bit more interest and design at the back again. You can use anything that is in your stash. I didn't particularly choose for a reason. I'm just having something that doesn't mean anything. And I'm using my little ink. This is a permanent ink from Versamark in sepia color. And I'm using another stamp, again background stamp from Dilutions. This is one of the first stamps that I ever had, and it's so useful, one that I used again and again. Again, I'm using a dark blue ink this time, and I find these mini inks so useful too. I have them from Memento, from other brands. I choose according to the color archival, and you don't pay as much as the big ones. And here is my focal point. These are digi-stamps from Elena Zinski Etsy shop. I definitely adore them. This is a shoe house and a little boy, so it's his house. I printed it as colored. She sells them in a bundle that you can find the images uncolored or colored. I always use the color ones because coloring the images is not a passion of mine, to be honest. That's why I love these digi-stamps. I can use them as they are, and also print them in the size that I want. And I get a lot of questions: does it not smear when you print with ink jet printers? You saw me sticking these a lot of times, and they don't if you are careful. I also go over them with matte medium, and nothing happens. Also, there's a sale in Elena's shop that you should definitely take advantage of. If you spend 20 plus VAT, I think, there is a 15% off. So go ahead and look at it. She put amazing things lately, and I'm going to put the link down below for this shoe house and the boy as well. And I will put other ones. So check it out. I am, in the meantime, I'm using these butterflies that I got from Alibaba, I think, in a bundle, and I'm gluing these with matte medium because I thought they are not stickers, but one of you, when I used in the other video, mentioned that actually you can peel it off and they are stickers, and they are. So in this video I didn't realize it, and I glue it like this. And thank you so much for the follower who told me actually they are stickers, so for moving forward I can use them as stickers. Sometimes it's just silly, I just didn't realize, and it doesn't peel off so easily. That's why probably I didn't realize they were stickers, but anyhow, all good. I decided to make these butterflies like flowers actually that grow from the ground, just to make fun of it, you know. You can do whatever you want, it's up to your imagination. This is a whimsical world, so I'm just going to draw some stems. and actually color them black and white. I think it looks really whimsical and cute. I'm using my black marker to color this, but you can use anything you want. And when you draw these stems like behind the shoe and all, it also adds some depth to the scenery. And I really like how they look at the moment. The colors go very well together. And I'm just now using my Arteza white gel pen. I couldn't say it quickly. Sometimes it just doesn't come to my mind. This is a white gel pen. I'm not sure if it's in stock now. I hope so, because it's the best gel pen I ever used. It just doesn't clog, moves very easily. It's bright and nice. I think Uniball broad tip is also good, but Arteza is definitely the best I ever tried, and I think I saw other artists mention it too, that it was the best. And I just use it for the stamps that I used as well, like I'm coloring parts of them with white so that they become more whimsical and everything goes together, you know, as if it's a part of one world. That's how I like to do things. And I just decided to stamp one more here to complete the picture. And I'm doing the same. I just don't like this boy floating around, so I'm going to give him legs so that he's standing there. And now I'm going to do some shadowing with my Faber-Castell Pit Brush marker. Don't worry if you don't like it, you can just erase with your baby wipe for a while until they dry. I just do it because then there is some shadowing and a little bit of depth around the images that makes them more realistic. I'll also give highlights to the rest of my images again so that they are more whimsical and they look alike. So there are same elements in all of them that bring them together, let's say. I really love these images and the boy is so cute, the eyes big and you know these pink cheeks. Anyway, it's time for the sentiment. I have my sentiment sheets that again I got from Elena's Etsy shop, and I'm just cutting one of them, and I'm going to make it as a sign that is near the house, the shoe house. You know how they write the names of the houses on a sign, wooden sign that they put next to the houses. I'm just trying to do something like that. So I'm cutting this sentiment, and it's so nice to get a lot of sentiments like this, and different from stickers that we buy. You can use them again and again. You can print it like 20 times if you want, and it's still there. That's why I love digi-stamps. I decluttered my house, I mentioned you before, and I keep now so little stamps, so little everything. And I think I'm going to I'm going to go for more and more digital downloads and things, because that they don't take space. You can use them as many times you want. You can print them. I really I do better with less clutter. So that's how I will manage my stash from now on. So not the it was too white, so I went around it with a little bit ink, and I'm just drawing the stick that it's standing on, and I'm going to go around it with a black thin marker to make it more prominent on the page. And the sentiment goes with this page so well. It says, "This is not a show home. We have dog hair and dust. Deal with it." And it's an amazing sentiment. Elena makes up these funny sentiments so well. And she's a very much a fun person, really funny in real life too. So it makes me smile all the time. I think I am done with it. I made some white splashes too, and I really love this page. It's so whimsical. Love the colors and the boy, the shoe house. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment, like, or subscribe to my channel. Again, the link for the digistamps will be down below. Appreciate your comments, all of them, and I read all of them. If I can't reply to all of them, please forgive me. Again, I have a full-time job and other things going on, so I'm doing my best. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.